Hey guys, what's up? This is Thomas Soltrin. I usually don't do videos like this, but this thing was frustrating me for a little while, and I finally figured out how to get it done, and I thought there might be some other people out there that need some help figuring it out as well. So what I'm talking about is the windshield washer nozzle. So I was having a hard time replacing this, and this is a 2013 Honda Accord. This is the coupe, the V6. And every Honda I've had has had this problem where the nozzles get clogged up. So I just wanted to replace the nozzle, and usually I could just pop it off and replace it with a universal one. But what Honda's done in this one, I'm not sure if they've done it in other models as well, is this whole console it's all together. So you can't just pop them off, or you can, but you can't really get to the cable. The cable will fall, or the tube will fall underneath it, so it just doesn't make it very easy to replace. So I had a little bit of a hard time. So what I did, which I'm going to show you here, let me flip the camera around. Okay. All right. So what I had to do is remove this whole panel here, which they have little I don't know, connectors here that you just pop off. So you just remove those. Mine was missing quite a few of them, so the car's had some work done before. But so here you have to remove the wipers as well. So you just pop that off and just unscrew that and just put a little pressure down here, and this comes right off. Very easy to come on and off. Same thing with this one. And then once you have that off, you can just pop this off, and you'll have access to the cable, which the windshield washer fluid tube runs from here all the way through here. So you can just pop it off, or you can get underneath it just in case the tube disappears on you, and then you can replace the nozzle. So what I did was I did not use the original factory nozzle because I just didn't want to go to Honda and pay the extra money for it. So I just got a universal one here, and what I had to do was actually open up the hole underneath it just a little bit. So I had to kind of cut it open, and I just used a X-Acto knife from my architecture school days to open up that opening a little bit, and that was it. So now my nozzle is working, it's flowing there, and we're good to go. So I hope that helps. For me, it was a little bit of a pain trying to figure out. I could not find a video online that showed me how to replace this. So now you know, maybe you can do it a little bit easier than I did. Maybe with the actual factory nozzles, it may go in a little bit smoother. But I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click like, share this video if it helped you out. Thanks.